This is Supercalla. Hi, I'm Charles Harris, inventor of Supercalla, the charging cable redesigned. Probably the most unique, organized, minimalistic, travel-friendly cable ever created. Unlike other messy cables cluttering your counters or drawers, or those extra short cables that require disconnecting to use the device, Supercalla remains short and organized and is easily extendable when needed, keeping those counters, desks, and drawers neat and tidy. Our standard 3-foot cable is perfect for everyday use and traveling, and our 6-foot cable is perfect for those extra long reaches. Our small but talented team of entrepreneurs realized that instead of tapping our fingers and clicking our pens, we were more drawn to the satisfying, irresistible clicking of our very own cable. We spent the last year designing, developing, and sourcing the perfect manufacturers for all the components, and we've tested hundreds of cables and connection types, ensuring high-speed charging capability and data transfer. Our neodymium magnets, specifically manufactured for our cables, are diametrically magnetized and free-floating along the cable. This allows the magnet's north and south poles to always connect with each other, creating our unique patent-pending design. Precisely spaced between the magnets is our ultra-durable silicone sleeves, allowing the magnets to always line up with each other while also providing excellent cord protection. Since 2013, I have been obsessed with simple product designs and have created 6 successful crowdfunding campaigns raising nearly $2 million from over 50,000 backers worldwide. With 7 years experience in product design, manufacturing, and distribution, and your support, my team and I are confident that we can get this cable in the hands of people all across the world. Thanks for watching.